Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two outdoor style wearable. The first one and the latest, the C30 Pro smartwatch. And the second one, okay, I don't know if you are familiar with this one, it's a very popular smartwatches, the C20 Pro smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, so on this video, we are going to compare these two outdoor style smartwatches. Which do you think is better when it comes to the design? And of course, the offered features or the menus. Okay, so if you are interested to see the comparison between the C30 Pro smartwatch and the C20 Pro smartwatch, drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. And of course, please support our YouTube channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and compare the two wearables. So we have here the C30 Pro smartwatch. We have some specs here. We do have the comparison here for the display, 2.19 inch. And the other one, the C20 Pro, is 1.81 inch screen display. Different packaging. The C30 Pro do have a much better packaging here, while the C20 Pro, very simple. Okay, but anyway, we do have the smartwatch here, and it has support for the Android 6.0 and above platform, as well as the iOS platform. So we have here these two smartwatches, different style, and both do have a feature for sports functions. So let's check first the weight. Although both wearables do have a, I think, metal body frame for our C20 Pro. Let me see. Okay, so metal, some of the body frame or some of the materials here on the body frame is metal. The same with our C30 Pro with a metal bezel. Whether it's metal or plastic, let's check on the weight. Bigger body frame for our C30 Pro here. We do have a 51 grams. C20 Pro, the popular C20 Pro, we do have a 52 grams. They almost have the same weight here, just 1 grams in difference. 52 grams, 51, almost the same. Okay, wait, for the design, let's go back here to the main screen, which is bigger. For the length, I think it's the C30 Pro, but for the width, seems like it's the C29 Pro. Let's see. Okay, seems like it's just the same. Okay, with this button, it looks like the C30 Pro is much, or C20 Pro is much bigger. And talking about the buttons, we do have here the crown button for the C30 Pro. This one is the return button for our C30 Pro. While for our C29 Pro, this is the power button. And instead of a sports button, it is a menu button. Okay. For the UI, okay, before we go to the UI, okay, I might forget. Let's check on the back cover here. So we both do have a pogo pin, the sensor here for the health, quick release spring for the strap. Two physical buttons for our C29 Pro or C20 Pro. Two buttons also for our C30 Pro. On the side, on the other side. For the UI, Okay, so message notifications for our C30 Pro. We have the settings here. Okay, shortcut to the different options for our C20 Pro. On the bottom part, there's different windows here. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the left side, we have the common apps here. On the left side for the C30 Pro, we have a grid type, Windows type of the common applications. On the right side, we have the different modules. Okay, so which do you think is better? Can we add our own here? Yes, we can add also. Okay, so different layout. Go back, go back. Then to access the main menu, press, and we have here the different menus and features of each smartwatch. So we have the sports, we have the activity here. Both do have a support for Bluetooth call. You can see here heart rate. So different UI here. We have the blood pressure. We also have here blood pressure. And back, we have the blood oxygen. Go back. We have the exercise. Exercise is the sports. So open walking. We have an open goal here for our C20 Pro. We don't have it here on our C30 Pro. And that's it for the list of sports. For the C20 Pro, we do have a comprehensive list of sports functions. For the sports comparison, I think it's a win here for the C30 Pro. Okay, it has a comprehensive list of sports function and with different categories here. Going back. Okay, so we have the weather, Bluetooth music. Do we have it here? Yes. Going back. We have a weather timer, alarm. We also have here an alarm. You can also set your alarm here. AI voice. Do we have an AI voice? Yes, we also have it here. Find phone. Seems like the brightness of this one is much better compared to this. Let's check later on. Find phone, calculator. We have a games here. We don't have it here. Settings. Support for different apps. We have the settings here. And about. I like the layout here of our C20 Pro. Better than the C30 Pro. Settings. Display. Brightness. It is in full mode. Yes. So seems like the C30 Pro do have a much better brightness compared to our C20 Pro. Okay, so here are the different options here. Menu view. So we do have here different menu options for our C20 Pro. Let's go back to the list. Okay, going back. Menu view, let's see. I think we have it here. Remove app view. We have at least 6. Okay, so I like the layout of the C20 Pro better than the C30 Pro. When it comes to design, which do you think is much better? For the sports, the C20 Pro is still the one. Okay, it has a comprehensive list of sports function compared to the C30 Pro smartwatch. Blood pressure. Other than that, it's almost the same. Okay, they almost have the same features. Okay, for those of you who are thinking whether to get the C20 Pro or the C30 Pro, Okay, check out this video first so you can compare the different settings here or the different menus and features. The only issue here for the C30 Pro when it comes to the menus and features that it is not arranged. Okay, the setup or the layout for the UI of the C20 Pro or C30 Pro is not good. Okay, unlike the C20 Pro that they put it in order and in different categories, especially for the sports function. Okay, so that's it for the comparison of review of the offered menus and features as well as the design of the C30 Pro compared with the C20 Pro smartwatch. So which do you think is better? Drop a comment below. And still, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.